pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat. We are about to announce this year's Best Picture. The winner will receive a trophy and a 50,000 peso. Oh. Hindi ko na alam kung pwede kong banggitin yan dahil baka mawalan ako ng kontrata.
Ayaw nga.
Okay.
Okay. At ang mananalo ngayong gabi ay makaka-receive po ng tropeyo at 50,000 pesos mula sa Playtime. PR Director Criza Cortez and Playtime Binibini 2024 Samantha Acosta.
The nominees for Best Picture are...
The nominees for Best Picture are Green Bones, GMA Pictures, GMA Public Affairs, Brightburn Entertainment.
Hindi ito ang kulungan nasa isip mo.
Hello, Love Again, ABS-CBN Studios, GMA Pictures, Star Cinema.
Walang araw na hindi ko inisip na sana marating na natin yung future na pinangarap natin dalawa. A future with no goodbyes.
Isang Himala, Capital Films, UXS, Creation Studios. Love Child, Regal Entertainment, Southern Lantern Studios.
Hindi kayo kasal? Ay, kailan kayo magpapakasal?
Outside, Black Cat Pictures, Netflix.
Tell me, my darling, if you knew fate would be...
Under Apayaya Moon, Bakunawa Film Productions, Green Pelican Studios, Jungle Room Creatives.
Kamu nga mga bata, kinahanglan pag-utanan, kinahanglan hapos kada sigon permi. Kung ako
And
Annie's choice is... Green Bones!
Sobrang thank you po sa ating mga entertainment editors on behalf of everybody who was part of Green Bones, particularly po kay Direk Zig and for Miss Annette. Gusto ko lang sabihin na 2 years ago, walang nakakilala halos sa GMA Pictures. Yung team ko ay mga documentary producers from GMA Public Affairs. It was just our dream to make movies. And now we're here, and thank you so much for this Best Picture Award. I just like JC, who was the creator of this movie, to say some words.
Kala ko nakaligtas na ako sa MMFF, di ako nag-speech. Yes po, ako po yung creator ng Green Bones, nasa likod lang usually. And gusto ko magpasalamat kay Miss Nessa for believing in the concept. I emailed her the concept and I got an approval for 5 minutes. Gusto na kaagad. And to Miss Annette for believing in the story. To GMA Pictures, I grew up watching GMA films, Muro Ami and Jose Rizal. Pinangarap kong maging part ng GMA. Napunta lang ako sa mga documentaries bago ako nakatawid ng film. Pero basically, sa docu din galing yung Green Bones. I've been shooting sa loob ng mga jail facility in the Philippines. Marami po akong nakilala roon. At marami akong natutuhang mga kwento ng ating mga persons deprived of liberty para po ito sa kanila. And this is also for my father, who died early. He died at an early age of 48 at siya po yung nagturo sa akin na maging isang mabuting tao. And basically, yun po yung whole message of the film. Thank you so much, Speed, and thank you po sa parangal na ito. This means so much to us. Thank you.
Of course, congratulations to all the nominees and the winners tonight. Thank you so much to our presenters and performers as well for making this event memorable. Of course, maraming salamat po sa Eddies and also to Speed for having us as your hosts. I am Darren.
And I am Kylie. We would like to thank Speed, the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, for making this annual event possible. And of course, to everyone who tuned in tonight, thank you so much for joining us in celebrating the world-class talent of Filipinos. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacao.
And I am Kyla, and thank you so much for having us. But as we wrap up the grand celebration, here is a special finale performance from David Young. This has been the 8 Eddies.
Could never ever meet to share.
Picture lang po. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Congrats po. Ate Maria, beautiful speech. Yes, sir.
Salamat po.
Bye po. Okay.
Okay, sige. Chelsea. Salamat.
Marian, congrats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats!